Dear students, myself Dr. Sritama Datta, Assistant Professor, Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today's topic is ray optics. In my last video lecture, I discussed about the mirror and types of the mirror. Now we discuss what is lens. Lens is a uniform transparent medium bounded between two spherical or one spherical and one plane surface. Mainly there is a two type of lens. One is convex lens and other is concave lens, like the mirror. Mirror is also convex and concave. So what is concave lens? A lens which is thinner at edge and thicker at middle is called the convex lens. In this figure, this is the convex lens. And what is concave lens? A lens which is thicker at the edge and thinner at the middle is called the concave lens. This is the concave lens. Convex lens is also called the converging lens. Why? Because the parallel rays of light are converged at a point by using the convex lens. Instead of in the concave lens, the parallel light is diverged. So it is also called the diverging lens. Now the important thing is the lens formula. The lens formula is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by e. And you know that f is the focal length of the lens, u is the distance of the object, and v is the distance of the image. What is another important formula is lens maker formula, that is 1 by f is equal to mu minus 1 into 1 by r1 minus 1 by r2. Here mu is the refractive index of the material of the lens and r1 and r2 is the radii of the curvature of the lens. So two formula is very important for this chapter. One is lens formula and other is lens maker's formula. Now the point is power of lens. What is power of lens? The reciprocal of the focal length of a lens when it is measured in meter is called the power of lens. So the formula of the power of lens is P equal to 1 by f. F is the focal length and it is measured in meter, and the unit of the power is called diopter. The power of a convex, that means converging lens, is positive, and for a concave lens it is negative. Now we discuss about the focal length of a lens which is combined. So combination of the lens. First thing is when the lenses are in contact. In this figure, the picture shows that the lens are in contact. So the total focal length, that is means 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. The focal length of one lens and f2 is the focal length of another lens. So the power of combination is P is equal to P1 plus P2. In the second case, when the lenses are separated by a distance d, the total focal length, that means 1 by f is equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2 minus d. D is the separated distance of two lengths by f1, f2. And the power of the combination lens is P1 plus P2 minus d. D already I said that distance between the two lengths into P1 plus P1 into P2. So these formula are very much important. Now, what is prism? Prism is uniform transparent medium bounded between two refracting surfaces inclined at an angle. So what is angle of deviation? The angle subtended between the direction of incident ray and the emergent light ray from a prism is called the angle of deviation, and it is denoted as delta. Now the dispersion of light. The splitting of white light into its constituent colors in the sequence of Vibgyor. Here we see that the white light is splitting into the its constituent colors, that is Vibgyor. Vibgyor means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. On passing through a prism is called a dispersion of light. Here is the important thing, the refractive index mu v is greater than mu 1. What is mu v? The refractive index of violet light is greater than refractive index of red light. Therefore, violet color deviates most and the red color deviates least. So, delta V is greater than delta R. Now, human eye is an optical instrument which forms real image of an object on retina. Retina colors contains lakhs of cone and rod cells which of light and the intensities of light respectively. The eye muscles change the focal length of the eye lens. This power of eye is called the power of accommodation of eye. Different defects of vision of human eyes. First thing is myopia, which is known as short-sightedness. It is defect of an eye due to which a person can see nearby objects clearly but cannot see far away. And this defect can be removed by using concave lens of appropriate power. The hypermetropia, this defect, in this defect, a person can see far away objects clearly but cannot see the near object. So this defect can be removed by using convex lens. Another defect of eye is astigmatism. In this defect, a person cannot focus on horizontal and vertical lines at the same distance at the same time. This defect can be removed by using suitable cylindrical lens. Another is color blindness, and this defect cannot be removed. In this defect, the person is unable to distinguish between few colors. And most common defect is cataract. In this defect, an opaque white membrane is developed on the cornea due to which person lost power of vision partially or completely. So this defect can be removed by removing the membrane through the surgery. Thank you.